My Future VT's Guide to Finding Your Education and Training Pathway. Step 1. Identify your goals. What training do you need for your future? Is there a specific credential you need to receive? How can a training program fit into your lifestyle? Would you prefer part-time or full-time? Classes during the day or at night? Online or in person? Step 2. Learn about education and training pathways. There are many different routes that you can take to get to your target career. Step 3. Learn about the different types of credentials. Is there a specific type you need? You can also stack your credentials vertically to increase your expertise in your field, horizontally to gain knowledge in different subject areas, or you can choose the hybrid method and do both. Step 4. Try not to get overwhelmed by costs. There are many different paths towards receiving financial aid. Check out our How to Pay page to learn about how you can access grants, loans, and scholarships. And of course, anyone interested in education and training should fill out the FAFSA, the free application for federal student aid. Step 5. Explore education and training programs in Vermont. You can find this information on our Education and Training Programs database. There, you can use our filters to find the programs that will fit your needs, or you can check out our Compare tool to see how programs stack up against each other. Step 6. Learn more about a few programs. Click Learn More About Program to deep dive into the programs you like the best. Find out the cost, length of the program, related careers, and other important details. Next steps. Investigate. Learn as much as you can about the program. Prepare. Go back to our How to Pay page and learn about what options might work for you. You can also talk to a financial aid advisor to make a plan. Take the leap. Click Visit Program website and learn even more about your program. Good luck!
Created using Powtoon.